Welcome to SEO Reporting Mastery. In this video, you'll learn how to create professional performance reports that drive results. Get ready to master the art of SEO reporting. SEO reporting is the process of analyzing and presenting website performance data in search engines. It involves tracking key performance metrics, analyzing search visibility, monitoring ranking changes, evaluating organic traffic growth, measuring conversion rates, and identifying optimization opportunities. All these parameters constitute a well-rounded SEO report. Here are some of the key SEO metrics that you should be tracking in your report. First, organic traffic. This involves tracking users arriving from search engines, focusing on trends, growth, and engagement metrics like bounce rate and time on site. Second, keyword rankings. You should monitor position changes for target keywords, tracking improvements and identifying optimization opportunities. Third, click-through rate. Measure the percentage of users clicking through to your site from search results pages, also known as SERPs. Fourth, conversions. Monitor goals, transactions, and revenue generated from organic search traffic to measure return on investment. Fifth, backlinks. Track quantity and quality of inbound links, including new links gained and lost links over time. And sixth, core web vitals. Monitor technical performance metrics like loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability. An SEO report generally consists of 5 essential components. First, the executive summary, which includes key achievements, performance overview, and critical insights. Second is the traffic analysis that focuses on organic sessions, user behavior, and landing pages. The third component is keyword performance, which includes ranking changes, search visibility, and featured snippets. Fourth is the technical health of the website, including core web vitals, crawl stats, and site errors. And finally, it includes action items that are recommendations, priority tasks, and next steps. To effectively collect data for your SEO reports, it is important to know about the right tools. These tools can be broadly classified into 2 categories: Google Tools Suite and third-party tools. The Google Tools Suite includes Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Google Data Studio, and Google PageSpeed Insights. The third-party tools include Ahrefs or SEMrush, Screaming Frog, Moz Pro, and Sitebulb. Depending on the type of data required, any of these tools can be used. One of the most critical aspects of an SEO report is the way data is visualized. Choosing appropriate chart types such as line charts to represent trends is a good practice. Also, the report should use consistent color schemes. Clear labels and legends should be included with annotations. The key insights should be highlighted. And finally, the report should be responsive across all the devices. Here are some tips that can help automate your SEO reporting. A Python script can be written for automatic data collection from the Google Search Console. You can import libraries like SEO Tools and Pandas. The script initializes the API connection, pulls the data for the last 30 days, specifies metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and position. Dimensions such as page and query can also be specified. The data can then be processed and saved into an Excel file. To conclude, here are some of the best practices and recommendations for creating effective SEO reports. In terms of report structure, start with an executive summary highlighting key wins, group related metrics together logically, and end with actionable recommendations. In terms of data presentation, use appropriate visualizations for each metric, include period-over-period comparisons, and highlight significant changes and trends. And in terms of regular updates, maintain a consistent reporting schedule, automate data collection where possible, and document methodology for consistency. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.